Hey everyone, I'm super excited. I'm going to be hosting a code jam. This is the first time I've ever done something like this. I'll also be participating in it. I think it's going to be great. If you want to just read the contents of this video, go to jam.adamlearns.com. It's the document that I'm showing right now. I'm just going to cover the high level details and a couple other little things. One, how do I sign up? Go to Discord. By the time this video is released, there will be a link here and you can just click a button hopefully and sign up. The coding is going to run from Wednesday of next week, so February 7th, to Sunday of that week. So there are going to be 5 days of time that you could code. I don't expect people to be putting in all of their available time on this code jam. I myself am going to spend the work days of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so just 3 of those days working on this. I hopefully won't touch the project on the weekend, but who knows, there's that flexibility. You can spend however long or as little as you want on this. The project should be related to a theme, which has not been announced yet. I haven't even come up with it yet. I'm going to announce it live on stream on Wednesday morning, which is the first day that coding starts. So I'll announce the theme. I myself will come up with a project and then start working on it. The project should be new. I don't want it to be something that you've been working on for a couple of years and you're just adding one new feature or something like that. I have no real way of verifying that it's completely new, but do try to stick to that it's a new project. You can use any language, technology, framework. I don't care about that stuff. You can work solo or in pairs, so you can find someone ahead of time on Discord to work with if you want to. The code must be in a public GitHub repo, but you can have it with a restrictive license. So your code is your code. I don't plan on taking it or touching it, except to maybe show it on stream at some point and just say, hey, here's this project that someone worked on and here's the GitHub repo. But it needs to be public. I wanted to facilitate learning and collaborating with other people. You could always take it private afterward when the code jam is done. And in order to be judged in this code jam, there are one of two things you need to produce: either a hosted version on a website of your project. Maybe that's not suitable. Maybe you can't do that. So then just a video covering your project. There are more details about what this stuff would look like down below in the document, so you can check that out if you want to. There will be judging for this, but I really cannot stress this enough. This is just for fun. There's no giant cash prize or something like that. There's no major reward. If there's any reward, it's going to be very minor. It's not going to be something that you're really vying for. So if judging seems unfair while I'm learning the ropes of how code jams are run, then I'm sorry. I'm going to try to do my best to at least kind of show every project as long as you've submitted materials that I can show. So I've included some details on how that judging will work. But like I said, there's no major prize or anything. This is just to bring the community together and do something fun. The only other couple things I wanted to highlight: this is not a game jam, it's a code jam. So I've got some examples of projects that you might have wanted to do with a sample theme that I have down below. And the only other thing I want to highlight is that this is supposed to be family friendly. So there are some themes or some language that you might not be able to use in your project, but that's pretty much it. No real other restrictions. So if you want to get started on this, go sign up on Discord. Again, just go to jam.adamlearns.com. Go get this document. There'll be a link in the description and sign up. Really low commitment here. You can do however much or however little you want. Again, super excited, and I'll finally sign off. Thanks for watching. Bye.